Alright, this is Thermite number 2. I've got all my stuff. I went ahead and made some rust and set it in my window forever. I'll go ahead and show you that. And while I'm showing you that, I'll show you some of the aluminum that I went ahead and shaved up too. And this is my my rust here. And I know you can't see it probably very well because my camera's kind of crappy, but it's really fine, like powdered. This is the aluminum, and it's pretty fine too. It's not as fine as the rust. In my research on the internet, most places tell you to put 8 grams of iron oxide in with 3 grams of aluminum. But I found out that you need 74% iron oxide and 26% aluminum. So I'm just going to make 10 grams of Thermite just to make this easier on myself. So I'm going to put 7.4 grams of iron oxide with 2.6 grams of aluminum. Got a scale, a digital scale here that I borrowed from my friend. He uses it to measure Thermite. Yeah. Turn it on. Put your little cup on there. And you're going to want to zero your scale out. Remember to zero your scale out or everything's going to be all jacked up. I've got some really fine powdered iron in this cup. So I'm going to measure out 7.4 grams of it. .4 grams. So I'm going to take the 7.4 grams that I have here. I'm going to take my bottle. I'm just going to so now I've got in this container 7.4 grams of iron oxide. So now I do the same thing. Scoop some of it up. Son of a bitch. Zero out your scale again. Get some of your aluminum. Scoop it up. Put it in there. Remember, you need 2.6 grams of this stuff. And I have 2.6 grams exactly. Good. 2.6 grams of my aluminum. I'm going to take my aluminum, dump all that in there. I'm going to pour it in with the iron oxide. Put on your safety glasses. It's important. Dump that in there. Now you can see it in there. I don't really know how I would stir it or anything, so I'm just going to put the cap on and shake it. And it shouldn't go off because it needs a whole bunch of heat to go off. So that's my Thermite. I'm going to go ahead and measure it too to make sure that I got 10 grams, make sure I didn't mess nothing up. There you go. 10 grams of Thermite exactly. So it's Wednesday now. I'm hoping on this Friday, maybe even sooner, depending on whether or not I can get a magnesium rod or a sparkler or something to light it with. I'm going to set off 10 grams of what I got to make sure that it's good. And if it's good, I've got, I don't even know, 200 grams of Thermite altogether. So it's going to be 20 times more than what I got now, basically. So if you guys want to see that, check out my next video. It'll be posted by this weekend. This isn't on campus. I'm not on campus right now, so don't ask me to take my video offline, because I'm not in my dorm room. It might look like my dorm room, but it's not my dorm room. I promise.